Chilalami episode 26.
Ana energy.
Ayina energy le out.
Ana energy.
Awubuyile Selonika.
And we are back. Njengomkokotlo
Mara.
nge-energy epapu. Are we going to explain ukuthi why singaphandle namhlanje what?
Hayi. We are outside. We are outside.
You're outside. You're rolling. Hey, Mara, my brother. Hey, today it's a Sunday.
Yeah.
We don't usually shoot on a Sunday, but the stars have aligned to go to shoot in namhlanje.
Yeah.
Due to unforeseen circumstances as I saw. As I saw.
Lezi izolo zona ziyenzeka namanje mara feel.
Hey,
Yeah.
masingayikhuluma kuzoba ngathi manje I understand.
Yeah.
Ngathi singabantu ababi, but then
And bisinokhabonini izolo no Lindo.
yo like that, yo guys.
That was a fire episode.
Oh.
That was a fire episode. Nanti kuthi record ang. Mara hayi, ki life. Yeah. Anyway, otherwise my brother friend.
Imnandi wena?
Mnandi boy,
mntwana
mnandi
Spani.
masweet.
Spani phambili my brother.
Yeah. Snake konje ne.
Snake ke ka Don Spilio. No one is Spilio and friends ne? Le bangisenzela ngiposta ne?
Yabona le niyancrash uthisa le nto le.
Talk like hey.
Yancrash uthisa.
Hey. I don't even know like dog.
Hayi yancrash uthisa le nto.
So how should we promote? Should we promote igama lethu lo minimo? Singana post.
Yabona le many more yengiyangisa kakhulu into ngisipanyele life ini ukuthi ngazoba yini many more.
I don't know lie. Mina ntanga nami ngiphathe kabi vele yabo. Because thina masenza ama event ne every time we make events we make sure ukuthi like wonke umuntu une-poster yakhe. Mostly ama DJs because oqala having a poster it's a DJ's currency. We don't get paid in these gigs.
Yeah, that's
like,
the thing.
I'm a pro bono mostly for now, you understand?
Yeah.
So the least you could do for us is at least
Sky recognition,
post, you understand?
Yeah.
Something that we can say, okay, sharp, Ispan is push it, Ispan pambi. But then we move.
Ngicabanga ngicini ukuba kuni many more ntanga. Hayi ngikudala ntwana. Kuma 2018, 19 nje.
Yeah.
Alas le story lesitshela sona ukuthi babangibiza Soweto last minute. Njengoba mangicela ukudlala kwangena uCabs. Yeah. Cabanga. Lapho ngiya understand ngi-enemy moya kaCabs. Enemy moya yabo.
Na asibanyati ne. Asibanyati, but the thing is like many more wafetus like us. No. Take us serious, Marazi, new move. New week, new episode, new Zahas and Yangazi. Yeah.
Sing quickly.
Anyway, my brother.
Oh, ntwana, before we continue ne.
Yeah.
Konke ngiqeda ukuyizwa manje ne. Mara I won't mention names vele.
What's that one?
Won't mention names ne.
Yeah.
Should my lento ama HDMI Plus.
Okay.
I'm mentioning it ntwana like this is million khulume ngayo boy.
All right.
Should my we out ne. Jolene Cherry.
Okay.
And then you later on find out ukuthi okay.
We out Ujolene Cherry.
And then later on in life
find out ukuthi
Luchero find out ukuthi ntwana
isn't it the same situation as Zuban, that guest that we had last week?
Ubani?
Lo bagathi Ujolene.
Koshibano Palisa. Yeah.
It's the same situation.
Mara
okay, like what are you saying?
Bajolile.
Okay.
Not Palisa at least it was 1 week.
Shit.
Yeah.
So to find out any.
Angazi.
You find out later in life ukuthi yena
yeah.
Hayibo. Uyithi wena okay wangitshela le ndaba le. Like what's going on?
If first time like ngazi umuntu emenzakalele that day. That's why I won't mention names.
Why manje?
Ngizokutshela mara.
Manje fanele ngicela off cam ngangitshela my off cam ngithola. Ngithola.
I can't mention names dog. I can't mention names. Yeah.
Damn. Shit.
I can't.
Shit. Oh my days.
Exactly.
Oh, now it makes sense.
Long story. All of a sudden. Mara nakhona ukwateleni.
Ona ngikwathi wena.
Ndanga like ilife how. At least ujolile now yabo.
Ooh, track record. It's not good.
It's not good, ne?
Good. It's not looking good.
It's not good.
Oh my fucking days.
So it is.
Yo, emarayazi king utima. Yeah. That's why I'm this shocked, guys. Man. It's because the person we know her and him.
Yeah.
Oh my days, stuff with it. Skata boys.
Before iqala episode, siphume manje before iqala episode lesikhathi.
Hey man.
Hawu natokuhlukuhlu ngithi man. Hey. Hayi lemile ngikhulume ngayo le indoda. Hey.
Yeah, mara okay, I don't know what you play.
I also don't get it.
Shit.
I also don't get why I got it. Alright, let's move on.
Hey guys, never first.
Hey, daughter. Hey.
What did you see during the week, my brother?
Angithi yazi ngitshela drama box anyadlala.
Drama box.
Ubonkosi uthi uyolwa no Anthony.
Yeah, definitely.
12 rounds.
Uthe mina
now yakufuna.
Hey dog, this guy is off ahead, Joe.
Le 5k le ozokunika for ukuthi uzile eventini.
Showing up.
Just showing up.
In a boxing match.
Yeah.
When you show up, you get paid.
Oh.
Just for showing up. Whether you lose, whether you
Khona imali uzoyithola.
Khona imali uthola.
Ngcono nyuba iboxer mos. Mara ngifuna ukusebenza box.
Context. Bonkosi of ngishayela na Islamata ngicela ukuvuka I get a text from Bonkosi ngo 7 a.m. This guy is saying ukuthi Ntwana, I'd give you 5k for you to be in a boxing ring with me. Have a boxing match with me. Now ukushaya ngeoffer.
Look, come on, gift, dog. Let's make this thing happen, dog. Let's
Come
on, dog. Come on. Chila and me can even like be commentary up. Let's make it happen, dog. Come on, gift.
Ibiza ngefetnika.
They offered me 5k to be to have a boxing match with him. I'm like, nah, prior guys won't ngana.
Eleya, uzokushaya incindi one boy.
And then I'm your pretty boy go salute. God, my guy. Ifuna uncenga lento.
Yamdino.
Ngeke ingcenya kakhulu.
Yeah.
You do it, Nick. You do it.
Oh, Nick, you do it for 5k. Also, yeah.
I don't think ukuthi yazwakala ungasondela if you wanna talk. Hey, Mara, now crusty, my guy. Mara. Mara, Nick says good and you do it. So,
for 5k.
No, 2 ways actually said, Angayenza. So, Bonkos, I do have a contender for you. 2 ways.
It's like in heavyweight and lightweight.
I understand. Stamina versus strong.
Lento le yenza Casper no pretty ugly.
Tabang.
Pretty seka ugly manje. Mshaya kanibuka how many rounds there?
I problem ilento upretty ne?
Yeah.
Ilento upretty. I problem.
Mshaya, I think it was 1 round. Mshaya one round.
Damn.
1 round pretty ugly wow.
I think it's a great initiative. Now I'd watch that fight. Ngibonile yakhe Anthony. And then
Magalia poster le yenza nge-AI le ya. Intshebeka Anthony ifula ya.
There's another poster ngibonile fana nayo. I was like, uthathe le poster le wayenzani urenzi.
Urefer ku AI then wa replace amagama.
But then uthe mina can join commentary.
Ubaba mthetho we-boxing boy.
Oh my God. Bonkosi in the first round. Mara, hey dog. Hey, when would you do it?
Mina. No Bonkosi. Bonkosi ngamponya ya.
Hey my guy, inking uthi yacava boxing ne. As much as it's about inqindi nani. It's not only about strength, stamina as well. Mina into engimtshela yona ukuthi phela akabeke leyo mali leyo si-race sigijime sibone ukuthi ubani uzoshiya.
Obvious ntana.
Angithi it's the same thing. Nami I'm
basically advantage yakhe ku-boxing wena advantage yakho ngayo.
Ufuna uncenga ringi ngicabanga.
Ngibonkosi washiwa yimi ntana.
Like that ubhema. Yena akayenzi lezo zinto lezo yena asala no hyperventilator lapha ya. Dog, mara ya my dog. Hey, that was a fire scat dog. Hey, I'm still thinking about the first time Maria this movie. Damn. And as ends is into force. Mara either way my brother.
Yeah.
Moving on. Kabza noMaphorisa they were performing Ibiza.
And they say review corner.
Yeah, like people are saying Guti, like their set wasn't like amazing. Like it was about they were not moving. There's a video obviously.
Yeah.
They're playing those songs, but
Afro House.
yeah. But then, man, the chat here is the chat, dog. When do you think ukuthi kabe bavele baya badlala piano or bayenze kahle ngokuzama ukudlala iAfrotech?
You know what's going on? Angithi Khumula uMaphorisa is moving to Afro House as much as he said.
Oh yeah,
so I think they were trying to promote that. Nokuthi remove manje mara ayibasipanelang.
But dog, these people are they're about to have one of their biggest shows
in South Africa. Yeah. Mara as much as I said nezolo vele time gap yabo boy ibakhawathile because labantu laba intwana labantu laba kumele yiwo abaqove ipiano balisa ngale boy.
Yeah, I understand.
So they let major league DJs do that first.
But either way, dog, how can you play 113 Ibiza? EPPM 113. La bantu badla ama tracks dog bafuna
yeah.
Bathatha bazama igqom at least.
I think ngigqombe bazowina.
Yeah. Mina marayazi mina bengithini. I think why bangadlala ngAfrotech? Like ama remix we piano Afrotech.
And look up now.
Unawo dog. I saw one, I think they were performing with lento Flying Fish.
Oh.
Flying Fish. There's the lento le Flying Fish. Yeah. I think they were performing that. Ukabza was performing, I think no Junior SA, I think. Dog, he played a fire, a beautiful, it's a beautiful set. Afrotech, back to back, they played so well. I thought maybe if it was hey, we are playing. Hey, ni happy. Hey, you're track.
Hey, you're track.
Oh, pause it.
No, just press record.
Oh, no, to snitchy content.
Oh. Ulisa paketela manje. Ngihlanzele kuphi?
No, Marai, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, dog.
Ntwana. Mara bona ntwana I think they could have tried anything else rather than go for what they went for. Mara anyway, vele mina Scorpion Kings ngibona ngathi
baba mina ngiya they sold out FNP ngizobeng lapha ya kule 400.
Lapha ya phezulu.
Bang to Strapa or
yazona yini inkinga yakho ne ungayibonanga ne bengibheka i-layout. Yabona istage masema phakathini usenkingeni boy ngoba ungada like
mina I'm going for the experience. I don't care ukuthi ngizolenguphi. Because it sound as long as music I can hear.
Konje inini konje?
27 September. No, 19 September.
Boy, mamela ponyo 10 Golden Circle.
Mina already have a ticket. Sohlangana lapha Golden Circle.
Angeke sihlangane.
Siyabangena papa.
Angeke sihlangane mina ngithi ngifuna le like.
Uzongidonsa musi.
Hayi.
Uzothatha itag lo muntu ewani ungayelona. Inside
bamxosha baceda.
Bazomxosha kanjani sekaphakathi uphuzukile lokho akakhulu kumele umlandene uthi wena sebakubonile vele ukuthi vele uyafuna.
Ukhona la ya.
Lethi ticket. Unginike mina lapha ya. Ku stand as pass.
Ngicabanga ukuthi uBig Zulu ushava boy. Ushava lo.
That's fire, Joe. Like kudos to Amachita, but then I learned the Ibiza man. Even now the interview, did you see the interview? Yeah. Like these guys, I think maybe self-doubt. Like was like.
As much as I'm saying, another thing about Kawata Ukabza is letting uMaphorisa be the face of the Scorpion Kings. So
like,
and my interviews are in
yeah. Is it a matter of English?
When? Nah, Kabza does no English.
Angazi ngizukabza khuluma English.
I have English Kabza.
Angazi ngibona yenza interview.
There's a video. Why have English? There's a video mo abuang ngesikhuwateng le majita vele. It's a car, not international English obvious, but like hey my brother, you know, like
Ay, maratok.
Lesikhuluma gift. Lesikhuluma gift lesi.
No, but lapha yana taba interview omlungu akunakuthi my brother watsiba. Mawuthi yatsiba seyaxayekile.
Maphorisa uza translate.
Mara mina into engisho ukuthi why bangafani nabanye abantu? Kwabona lezi ase Spain. Bashange interview nge-English iziphendule nge-Spanish. Like Joe, do that. Bazo translate or bazofaka i-caption or something ama subtitles and then yeah. Like there's no need to pressure yourself ngento ongaya.
Yeah.
There's no need. Like these guys are big already. Lapaya they were supposed to show confidence. Uguti like we are who we are, Joe. Scorpion Kings, dog. Do you know Uguti they are pioneers of Amapiano, Joe?
That's why I should
they are a face of Amapiano.
Baba is ngokunika image league leyo chance leyo ukuthi baba mapioneer.
I don't think I think they took time Uguti by outside.
Leza phela ntanga zibone a chance at balcony mix. Piano la vaya boy.
Marantanga inakhona
And I was no producer lezi.
Piano abadlala yona adlala piano 115 no. Major league dog.
Lezi angithi
Mara no they
have to remember
three step.
You have to remember ukuthi lezi kahle kahle nazo zifana nabo tira. Yonke into emnandi hopper on top of yona vena.
Awutira namasiba. I was listening to throwback yakhe lengoma ezaka 2009.
Yeah. No utira ngalezi nkathi lezi tira before 2015
labo professor sonke zenzangu ubana snika lento njaya those were the golden days dog imncane dog ngawangayazi nebhiya
after mina konje after 2015 bese rip off abantu izikuphi lezi obo Gold Max yini distraction boys
hey dog besides that dog going to Durbanville. Did you see there was a story between but you who babes Otumo angazi paid who kutanga vuli charge after they raped her in shit
bamrepile
khona umuntu amrepile ne allegedly and then like allegedly u babes Otumo I think but nomampintsha istory sakhona ngisilandelanga kahle because like it was whatever but then but they bribed the girl ukuthi atambribing 70k ukutanga vuli cala 20,000. Do you know the story? Do you want to? Can you just give us a context? You need the mic. Just okay. No mungaze move the camera.
It's long.
Like I can give you the mic. Yeah. Because I just need context.
I think what happened was that girl got raped or something.
What do you mean, mic?
I saw a snippet. So she got raped.
By who?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
One of the artists. And Navale Pipsotum or something.
Yeah.
So they bribed the car 20,000. So then Pipsotum took 10,000 and got away.
How?
That's the part that
killed me. Crazy dog. How?
So, but Mara. Uripo ban. Mibutira.
No. Yeah, Mara.
Siwamba mikuko acabanga ukuthi CDJ. Wathi chiyanyana la. Sibrugo. Ziyawala.
Yeah, Mara, I don't know who. But yeah, someone raped.
Aksu danger.
I don't know who. Tokazange silandelele.
Dangerous phela le. Kabala ku danger.
It's in the name, boy.
It's in the name. Danger kafari ingozi.
Mara, that's crazy.
Why le abayibiza ngo danger bangayibiza ngo ingozi ngoba umzulu?
Marantang, okay. So should we if we accept low bribe? Now is it still going to be a matter of who to rape you and none? Like should we still give it like our attention less or storeless? Because we accept like bribe.
Maybe enjoy it.
It's handle statements. Let's move on.
Angije khumula ngitshela ukuthi khona lo kuni video wathi yena baba mrepa and ngeround lo buso wathi
time I'm pushing my poop time like I'm pushing my poop yeah man yashuda
konje bekashaya celebration izolo
bekashaya celebration shout out to my father
nangaki
angazi
Uma 60.
Nah, dog fresh cool for 60. I think Maru approach 60. I think 50.
Late 50s.
Yeah, 57, 56.
Nice.
But yeah. Shout out. 90 minutes. 90 minutes goal. I reduced the mix, my friend. So thank you for the support. It's all over Shaili Zanza and namhlanje vela ngiyabang Shaili futhi like the moment is gone. But then I released a mix titled 90 minutes goal. Check it out on my story.
Ntakuba soccer player uyisa na ku DJ boy.
Gotta integrate.
We are mixed.
I understand. But then I called it 90 minutes goal because like it's 90 minutes long. The mix. It's fire. Check out the link on my Instagram bio. It's there. If you want the mix on DM and then I'll send you a link whereby you can download the mix as well. Music is life. Music is key. So sharing is caring.
Cancel vele depression ngemusic.
Fast ntwana, like fast dog. So
umuntu DJ okwazihenga akekho ne.
I don't know.
Suicidal like akekho ne.
Abomrapper kuphela ngazi umrapper wazihenga.
Yeah, abomrapper vele ngithi yabekho right vele. Rick vele wazihenga. What mali? Hey well.
Baba.
Hey othile.
Hey baba. Wazihengilani vele?
666. Bekaluma abantu naye. Bekangaluma abantu lamjitha sibani.
Because like what do you mean? You are at the peak of your career, making money, plugging the kids on, and then we as hanger.
Bogi best before when I was expiring date.
Damn.
But that's what Nick is saying.
So he didn't leave notes. Didn't he leave like a suicide?
I'm sure because nifundo umfazi wakhe.
He did, ne?
And I moved to the assist.
Shit, kabanga even have a fire hand, dog. And then he has yeah. Am I right, dog? Listen to Zama 666 mina ngizibelievele mara ngicela zingangilandeli. I don't like believing in shit, dog.
No Zuma.
Zuma? Which Zuma?
Malala.
Wenzeni?
Indoda namakhanda amabili. Naye mathathu nanani.
Uzibulele? Oh, 666.
Yeah. Mina ngizibuza into eyi-1 ubuso bakasathane obazelaphi
bakasathane
ngithi bula somewhere
ufaka ubuso bakasathane la
ubazelaphi
angithi yena wadutshula maceda sitshengisa imbabonyana engaka akhumbule
Shashaza boy
udutshule ngimabizani nge-ero yakasathane bangidulile kanti hayi ero kasathane
Antanga into zesemzansi alahisa sibale into zesemzansi
like drama la South African nandi ingikhumbuza nje lento ka Scott Maphuma yini like we understand you got the glitch ukuthi every time when you release that's a fire car every time when you release people will listen to your thing mara Joe please respect the genre now you are ruining the genre what the fuck is I scratch your back you scratch my back
bekenzela belunga ingoma bethe akasazi singisa uScott that's why
Scott knows English.
Anyadlala.
Mara uyelo post intwana yakhe wathi my manager and then abantu they were like oh now you know where you get the inspiration from. Atsenza ingoma zakhe intwana yakhe.
One thing I've noticed about South Africa, ungayivumeli South Africa comment boy. Comment section these days is
brutal. Mina ngithi dog any comment dog engagement yakhumbula. Ungayidelete the people that watch the show yokumele bas defend ukuthi no if umuntu uzothi na wrap it up guys kancane ne yeah
so ngixosha lapho
if umuntu
uzothi
if umuntu uzothi episode what wrap it up in let our fans our chillers fuck
some chillers
we still don't have a name for
Amanami
the namis ne let them defend us W engagement nazo
W ne
Scott Maphuma kami scratch my back and scratch your back hey
scratch my back
and another thing
uqale nge-distract ngibone lapho ukuthi usokonte wrong ngayo
amara let distract belfaka
ne vum makale ngomnani moda kiyo yo
hayi baba mina ngazi ngilalele
vele yenza sense
DJ I wouldn't play that song
hayi dlaleki yona ngoba ne pitch khona la dumzum
and yazi enye into engikhinyayo ne people take lento Scott ayenza and then they associate it with the whole genre.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Ipiana lifi. It's your selection. Blame your selection. Khona ingoma ezi right. Listen to 90 minutes gold.
Promoter boy.
No matter like that. Now I was like I wanted to name it Saving Piano. You understand? Because like La Piana I played literally everything engathi piano from like every genre subgenre ephakathi ku piano from private school Machapino Skitongo Boots you name them you understand even nale ngoma lezi vele as a TikTok I even played them like there's everything Joe
surprise
okay say right okay so like I played everything Joe like listen to that thing you'll understand what is piano guys piano it's a groove genre like it's a groove what genre ne?
Yeah
can I say it's a groove genre it's also a chilling genre, understand that there's so much variety within ipiano. You can't associate ingomanyane A1, A2, A3 by this artist, by that artist, and then you see, nah, piano is falling off. Nah, it's a movement.
Abantu laba bathi piano is falling off abomahlatsi like abomrap so abantu abanjalo vela ngibanaki ifana nalabo abacomment utoti kuma comment section vele yeah.
That makes sense.
How is piano falling sijayivela every weekend?
Bro.
Emjayive no, you'll never hear hip hop. So kungancane boy.
Okay, force lo, even us, yo, everywhere you go,
izolo bese konina ngizwa hip hop.
Hayi mara, yes.
Eyawa lapho.
Ubana bathi inkinga bengiphuzuke kakhulu guys. Emara bo DJ balapha ya shout out to entekoneni. Yo besikhala la.
Because usol Phenduka beka ithe vele it's one of the hottest joints in Fusi.
Yeah.
Bengampilini ne. Hayi mfana nungizibonela izolo boy. Shit.
Bonini ungenile azangisafuna nokuphuma.
Ay mamela boy. Khola bese ngidla ama ice khona sengitaka kakhulu. Ngidla uma 10 yama ice.
Kana if azange ngiphuza amanzi izolo abengizofa mntwana. Bengizoshona.
Cishe ngawa la.
Nguyise ibhodlela cishe ngawisa ibhodlela ngiwani. God damn. Ngizithola sengilele emotweni angazi ngifike kanjani la ngivuswa amakhala
ukhaphe yimi vele
cha wena my brother wena
angithi bese udla vele mama yile dingi rekhona lebheka yababa leyabheka
bana ngikhumbula taste yakho imnandi yele ngcolisena lajo jo but it was nice
yeah it was nice I koneni vele PSG winile
PSG won congrats to PSG yes. Instead of Arsenal banomlomo. Pirates are treble winners, dog.
Mara, you can't compare it to Sundowns.
Sharp, okay.
Yeah. Ukuthi nina ama-cup ayi-3 in 1 nil abantu bane-star.
Okay, here's the chat.
In less than 10 years, they have 2 stars.
Here's the chat. Is football about money or the supporters?
Yeah. Supporters.
Pirates win ama-cup ayi-3 in 1 season. Sundowns you win 1. We understand what it's big in a star.
You win 1.
In star.
Yeah.
Sasezethisi.
Tanga. Mamela. Ama-sheriff labantu manje.
Ama-sheriff.
And not labantu labashaya continent yonke.
No.
Continent.
But then Pirates made us proud. As a supporter wabo.
Ya yena inzamile shem ngoba vele bese siphela nokuwina.
Bopha uyibukele lento ubophe kancane. Bopha. Bopha nje ya.
Noma seningabopha kusala iSundowns win star ma gents.
Okusala and even okay dog. Star. On that chat Diski. What's happening in selection dog? Uyaphula ili Foster.
We are Foster.
Joe, we played against the team I don't know 600 and something. We le chat yokuthi like best teams FIFA rankings. 600 and something. We didn't even score 1 goal. Come on, guys. Lily forced to miss the penalty.
We are Foster.
Hi. Foster gang.
Tanga bafana selection yakho niswakyo.
Foster gang dog. Like
ziningi into la bangazifaka lapho.
And manje Mexico ne asonta ngabantu base Mexico like those influencers and TikTokers talking about into South Africa ukuthi you guys are telling us, Guti, you're coming with fire. Hey, we should be intimidated. But you guys failed to even score 1 against the team. Guti, Joe, like, Uguti won FIFA ranking. Mamelu scroll like who's a good plum isandla. Ndota.
That's a lot of fun.
When
I feel that's why this kid is days in Tanga, so scripted gaku. If I don't know what I
I wonder. Maratanga was it wise with Babies with Samba Mshishizon?
Yeah.
Was it wise with Mam Collab? Experience. Experience. Okay.
I think
because I
Umbogazi khona la.
Umbogazi start. Ali start. Doing the most lapha USA.
Konke ngiyibonile ne. Kushume bengifuna ukumbiza ngeOx mara ngiyabona ukuthi no. Khona idayiding. Yabona le moto lezi ezihambisa imali.
Okay.
Yazi babeke ibani lapha ya.
I think I saw babeke ibani.
Umbonami.
Oh, le rapine. Amachita say force la say forma. Yeah, upgraded it.
By reinforcing vele. Ikuzini. Ama cash transit. Effectively. Yeah.
They reinforce. Mara machita say Oslo. 1 kilometer away from the police station. La was say forma right. Not saying good things about Tumela. But hit me up, man, the plan. Let me have fun. It's wrong, guys. It's wrong. It's really wrong. Mara steak nami ngiyasifuna mayikaya. The economy of Syria has produced more DJs than any other careers. Has produced more
influencers,
more ladies selling their palms online. Indirect dog. Like this economy is fucked up, Joy. Do you know that?
Yeah, better as well.
No. Like I hate this economy. Joe, we're supposed to be that generation that enjoy life. You understand that?
Yeah, fair.
But now
instead it's not a problem. Dog. Actually, apartheid is a problem with you.
Wonke umuntu ovotela ANC masimbeni.
How?
Njalo.
You.
Nonke.
Mas votelin.
#nonke.
Svotelin.
Angazi. Mara don't vote for any
EFF
ANC.
masoyivotela ipresident ayisekho. Ngitshela.
When?
Malem.
Even nalaba bazovotela iEFF makakeni.
And then
because
you
know why I'm saying this. Let me justify this. Ningangizondi ne. But I'm living in this economy ne. Joe, Malema Joe. There's a movement against illegal foreigners. You understand? Illegal. This guy is busy defending Baba Kwenzen.
But we are ngaphandle.
Mara, he's not illegal. Is he illegal?
We don't know.
Oh. We are marching against illegal foreigners, not foreigners.
Yeah.
Illegal ones.
I understand.
But this guy is defending them with everything he has. Joe, no.
I'm sure
you do
EFF. Yeah. Oh, EFF find a foreigner. Makes sense.
Joe, like you do understand Nuguti, like you can only understand how painful it is like not supporting the movement because like these illegal people they bring drugs like South Africa. You can only understand the pain if umtanako or usiswako ruputwako rumamako rubabako ayenza drugs. You can only understand that pain. And abantu abaningi ababhizi basupporta no. Ila abantu abangi-understand ukuthi people are suffering from the hands of illegal foreigners. We are fucking paying tax. They are not paying anything. Tax iyasibulala.
And
bayasiphilela. Joe, I even heard that they were funded, that there was I think 500 million ekhishiwe to support SMEs, small medium what entities, something like that. Them business like our spice shop nan. Only for that money to go to Amakula. They had private meetings na Amakula. They funding Amakula. Guys. Kancane ngiyazwakala faith. I understand. Dog. Joe, it's like ANC out, EFF out, DA.
Elenzile and awufikile ku social media these days you. Konje policy uzovotela ini yena?
Uzovotela DA.
Akusithi khona le yamabhunu le yini?
If IFV or something.
IV.
Yeah, Freedom Front Plus. FFP. No, it's not the one.
It's not that one. Khona le yamabhunu man.
FP. Khona enye esikhuluma ngayo.
V what?
VP or
yeah, bekathi hayi.
Mara ntanga mina yazi mina ngisho ukuthini amaphoyisa wonke abawenza amabhunu. Bhunu ntanga nyeke ntanga private ntanga. I saw a video ntanga this guy laba ama legal foreigners bama spice shop la amakula. They were trying to bribe umpunu what for? What for?
Aleza ntanga imali azinandaba nayo.
Dog, those guys know span phambili.
Bathini ngesilungu bafurugule.
Dog span phambili. Mara ngiyaxolisa thu laba engibathukile ngensine. Your vote is your what angifuni ngizonde, but then like, please understand frustration yami buyaphi. Like guys, no, NC we are tired, but moving on. Politics yakwatisa.
Yeah.
Moving on.
Level isirats lento eyenzayo vele.
Outside. Yeah. He outside, can't blame him. But then moving on, dog. Do you watch Real Housewives of Durban? Again, young child with the count.
Real Housewives
of Durban.
Yeah. Angibhekelela amasimba.
Yeah, marabo gel bayibhekelela. So
shout out to bayibhekelela.
Shout out. There's this hand mambizo Nonku Williams, dog.
Lo BBL ebusweni. Lagan. Uyene.
Yeah, she did a facelift, so she was posting the. She did a facelift. She posted process yakhona. Talk mamfaka insimbi la.
Ma rods.
Mamfaka insimbi.
Mayabashiya ngaphakathi.
No, like I think le insimbi lezi ngathi zihambisa like intambo. Like what's this?
Azishisa amafutha ngaphakathi.
Le othunga ngayo.
Oh ama
The
threads.
baby zan.
Cotton.
No man, lento thunga ngayo.
Inality.
Ini khali nge-English dog.
Wool.
String like the string.
Lama strings,
string yakhona. Like ngathi bahambise phakathi ne. So mabakhipha le insimbi lezi le ntambo lezo like yizo manje that way hanging.
Oh bayadonsa skin
Yeah,
ngazo
dog, it was excruciating. I couldn't watch that thing with a straight face, dog. I couldn't. And manje mina, you know, ukuthi yini ntwana, what's the crazy part? After doing all these facelifts, ne, next thing you're supposed to futhi une filter. What was the use?
Angithi I facelift you have filter. Filter. Yeah.
Amantombazane yazenza dog.
Ayindoda. Ifana nayo lento BBL nje. Mawunganayo yeka.
Mara khona abanye abantu esipanela.
Hayi uba noma zweni BBL nice wena.
Before imosha ne.
Une BBL wena.
Ne BBL. Asante. Ali BBL.
Wante uzopamuka induni cabanga. Uzepesha.
Ufaith inkethi iBBL yakhe be fresh. Before azoyimosha and then azoyikhipha futhi.
Angithi uFaith wakhipha ama ribs ecala.
Hey dog.
Lawo amaqina lawo. Aba our class figure.
Eka fresh.
Yeah.
Ay.
Mara bengekho fresh la BBL ngoba inyawo zakhe zincane. Nje ningaka.
Yeah, but why abantu bangabalance vele?
Efana noShamiso. Konje bani? Shamiso. Ulali BBL. Yeah, uchiria DJ Spista. Wenze BBL sifahlong. Oh.
Did you see BBL? Did you see omunye umuntu ongathi uzimoshile ngeBBL yakhe manje? Sindi dog. Sindi my cartoon. Wathi nomnqundu liyamntana. Dog uzimoshile dog had a perfect body dog.
That's the problem. Most yabo labantu abenza BBL amabody wabo wa fresh.
She had a nice body. No ntanga ngathi balloon I understand.
BBL amabili awasa America.
Hey.
Ivele bese inyawo zingaka. Awukwazi ukuyenza BBL umzimba wonke like. Nenyawo bakufakela ifuthanyana. Yo. Ufaka indunu pen.
Dog induna amabele. Dog ngenza izinto ezibhaya ngayiba fama.
Yazi mina ngazi umuntu oyehlisa amabele ntanga. Boob reduction.
That actually works for other hands. Mara khona lo yelo ayenza boob reduction and then akhula futhi. So no dog. Yeah. Uyelo ayehlisa ne and then I think after a year or months akhula futhi and then even bigger than where they were.
Ipateli.
That was so sad. That was so sad because ntana understand ntana bathi amabele ayasinda. Angazi ukuthi uyabangangibiza kunzoba cookisa
ama. No toilethelana mfethu toilethelana. How ndoda.
Bathi amabele ayasinda
sokusiza.
I create like back problem.
Yeah.
So that procedure makes sense but hey dog. Manje makune possibility ukuthi azokhula futhi.
Ayindoda. Nalo ngithi nyamcava ukuthi oyehlisile. Mara yamfanela yena. Yo.
Khona abanye abazimoshayo dog. Khipha amabele.
Into
enhle mfethu uNkulunkulu akunike yona. Athi ngiyafuna.
Letha la sokusiza man.
Noma ngasinda kanjani.
Bele.
Ayasinda. Asikuzwa. Mara uthi that's why uthanda ukuhlala phansi. Now I understand. Ungicele ngikukise wona. Ngiyadlala baby, ngikukise ngiyadlala. Ngiyadlala. Ngifuna amabele akho kuphela baby uyazi.
Let's defend boy fast.
Hey, u2 ways phela hey no ngibulalisa.
Uzobe bekazokushaya mara.
Hey, ngisho ngibulalisa u2 ways dog. Ungitshela ngama guest dawo bekumele ukuthi ezizolo that we were supposed to have.
Yeah.
Ne.
Kasho bani ulindo.
Yeah, and then he's like, "Hey, this is Pagile dog." Tana, and mangicela ukuvula one thing about my girl ne. Shosho overcrantan. Like one thing about my girl ne. She's really noisy dog like is it noisy? Nosy yeah. So mangivula WhatsApp yami mina makabona that green app awulahleli lidlo. Mntwana usenda ama message ay through two ways. Nga answera leyo one phela ethi so who's this honey? Lethi upakile ngayeka Ngimbona ngibheka ntanga ngigayiside ayro.
It's about to pagile.
Hey, libuso, okay. Hey dog, it was high.
Bandla.
Angazi yasibheka mangeke.
Oh.
Bangaphandle baphethe ama camera what's going on.
Siyaporeka.
But dog, ucisha ngibulalisa but baby, rata wena fela. Moving on.
Yo, live on camera.
Moving on.
Yo.
What did you see? What else did you see? There's a lot.
Ujibane ntwana lem. Ukhila kawo.
Oh, what about killer man?
Freshman Maggie ithi mele release ingoma zakhe. Basically they're asking if we should release ama unreleased wakhe.
But that's an old sound.
It's old sound.
It's an old sound. Okay, for memory's sake, ne, about release. Maybe ama artist manje they can do ama remix ngama vocals wakhe.
Which genre? Ngicabanga ukuthi voice yakhe la ngahlala kubhoots wena.
But piano is very versatile, dog.
Kakena.
Tanga ngangena ntangkhila ka baka na masiba tanga.
Hayi amaneba ayahlupha amaneba
Ungakhohlwa Ntwana is one of the first pioneers or few first pioneers of jump on as a vocalist kumbe ba piano. I understand. So we have dope
Kila ka beka pioneer. Oh.
In terms of my vocals with piano. Beka vocalist piano and ungakhohlwa ukuthi piano iqale phela ne and then abo Killer Cow jumped on abo Zuma ubani lo munye futhi oshonile lo abo ubani lo studla konje lo shonile Mpura I understand they jumped on and then
you're my pioneer la
yeah RIP Machita but yeah
Killer Cow
I understand
hello
he was in that second
yeah
he was in that camp
yeah I was not a fan that's the thing I was not a fan
that guy ntanga we pushile into yakhe ntanga and kudos to him gone too soon dog gone
too soon kamumphela ipioneer hayi chicken hayi beef hayi amanikiniki
ukamumphela unobuso obungaka like unobuso abengaka like Joe every time angibona ukamumphela dog she's different dog
angithi manje uya age and esasemncane kamphela phela mncane nakimi mara masingahlangana soyithuka so ngathi umdala
stuff
ane ki right nomnyani lona namabele ngapha na hayi makana amabele wakhe
sajiva namanje
akakho uma kajive uya hyperventilate uphefumula kakhulu
mara stuff
nyadlala
mara ya hey dog ngiconnecta kuzwa ukamumphela dog
uya release
she's still releasing baby ngoma yakhe releasing
ama music video mostly nje
yajiva
dog ibele sazophuma one day mfana
ngamthatha umntana eklabhini ojiva kakhulu
mina no
hey
mara I would ngoba ama easy target lawo
laba bajiva bathi vele man jiva vele no jiva kakhulu we attention seeker
ufuna ukuyolala somewhere
ngitshengisa ukuthi
yo show me ungibhekile uguy sishayile sasaba lesiyo umbheke ungibheke kanjani uluma nama lips lapho sengibheke kahle vele siyobhuka vele
I saw there was the outage evuma during the week. What was going on there?
Hey, yazivuma isijwala masimba.
What happened?
Aqedile ishanga excuse yena edizi ukuthi they were relocating what. Oh, and relocate ngo12 nina. And no one noticed it. Wonke umuntu walo baya relocate what. And bafethu ivuma iqimbo ngo12 ebusuku. So nyela bentutha ngo12. Okay, asingeni vaka. Yini bayatshontsha kanti.
So you're telling me with most house
ini vuma na ibuya ngale.
Wait,
ivumi yahamba nge30.
Wait. Yamuza uthini lo muntu? Awuyisho la. Ufuna ibrek ivumi.
Hey.
Endoda angithi bathi laba babuya vele abu
site.
Yeah. Duze kwaseceleni mawuceda ukujika.
Yeah.
Angithi bathi bebasha ama cable.
Ngoba ama cable evuma.
Same difference.
Abunya phela lezo zibuya ngala.
Shara jam for that information.
No, akusile nto le i-message yakho na it was about ukuthi ba relocate from da uma stand yabakhawatha watwata yabo. So the message mangibheka ngithi enengibonisa uma
on Samzanele and TK situation.
Lapha emacontaineni. So uma stand wabo fire uthola manje. So ngibhekele i-message ngithi manje ivuma ucime ngo12 man. Man badlala ngathi lapha. But bezobuya nge5 zaka June.
I saw that message dog ukuthi izohamba for isikhathi eside. But nice we everything's okay. Which means as a society izwabuyisila man tamakhe.
Okay. Abantwana bakamnangangwa.
No nomngam.
eMozambique ubani eMozambique president eMozambique
Nomngam kwa.
Mina
Mozambique.
Zimbabwe yeah
I'm not sure.
Mozambique president
Moz.
thing ubani president
Who's
lapho
the president of Mozambique?
Javiro. Oh,
We
yeah,
don't
yeah,
even
yeah.
have a fact checker.
namhlanje akekho usiba
voice is not around.
the voice
Yeah. Enzakalani manje? Oh, dog, another hot ndaba, dog. I'm looking at my prep here. Ask his phone. You were done ngalento kanti. Did you have a
ngifuna
point?
ukuzwa ukuthi ubani nje president
Oh, they're fact checking.
okay
But
yeah.
as while they're still doing that. So another story, dog. I was watching it clip here, dog.
Mike.
Esengkhatheni. So, okay, now.
Sengikhatheli dlala kuphi
157 Moja Love.
Mocha Love
Yeah. Let me tell you. El Chapo.
Daniel Chapo
Daniel
Okay.
Chapo.
lo muntu loyo waseMozambique
Thatha abantu bakho mfethu.
akathatha abantu bakhe
Bayatshontsha la, basitshontshela amatayera, basiphulile ama-window.
Yabona, umuntu ograndile yaseGhana leseGhana yabathanda abantu bayo
Hey, dog, we saw bathi Ghana,
ama-flight
bathi Ghana ntangi is cancelling us. That's good.
asinandaba nabo basenzilani
Canceleni ayingeke yo. Like yazi what's crazy? Bathi wozani ke nizohamba. They found out ukuthi labo bantu laba bathi bafuna ukuhamba they are illegal here. So
And
they had to
then-
face the music when they go back.
wafika
Ukuthi
le.
wena ufike kanjani la? Usuke kanjani le wafika la? Wawungana maphepha. Why don't you have the right documentation to be here? How are you going to go back?
mayeGhana isikhancelile
Yeah, like that's what.
anyway vele bayifele
But apparently, but this is going to like, in terms of fuel cup, but South Africa might be the most hated African country by other Africans as well. Because of
we don't
the
care
sense that- but it's xenophobic.
we don't
But
even
it
care
is
about
xenophobic.
neMorocco asinandaba nayo futhi Morocco useless abo Hakimi
Lava
abo
masolo
Hakimi yena for mina leya pioneer abantu abasikhuluma ngama pioneers khuluma ngabo Hakimi
Pioneer.
ya divorce umfazi atholanga nix
Ale namasiko.
yeah yiyo kuphela into eMorocco enamasimba ngale yabo
Share yonke into
stage man
yathi-
worldwide Morocco baba
Siyasafara thina
Yeah.
singanabo mama. Mina mangafaka ubaba mangavela azithathe lezo zinto.
uthi ubhalisa imoto yakho ngaye ayilande
Ezidliwe umuntu wakhe maqedwa. Mara tanga I saw a clip here sengkhathele ne.
Yeah.
So a gent took his girlfriend to the show to tell her that she is tired. He is tired of her because she demands a minimum of 6 rounds of sex per night. A minimum of 6 rounds.
that's that's how I'm feeling right now akeze la
Hi, bo. 6 rounds when
Mara not every day, yo.
You can't do that every day, dog.
nah
You
every
can't.
day
Oh.
nah
Umchita siyakhathala. After the third round intanga selithi popopo. Ile nto sukuthi.
ay lithi popopo ay ngasifaka endabeni zakho
Dog,
After the round popopo
No, phela ungakhohlwa uthi le 6 rounds le a night. I'm not saying the whole day. I'm saying a night. Don't get me wrong, a night. Which means ngiyahlaba. Lala 2 minutes uyavuka ngiyahlaba. Futhi
bonke
1 2
asilali nokulala boy bonke
Hoy, uzongitshela into ngitshelayo ukuthi ngilalelani. Hey baba.
ulalelani uringi var
1 2 3. Oh, God.
yale awuthi la mshaya isebenzi
No, ngizongitshela isitori sakho nawe azingidani maqhubeka.
PD, unfortunately, some of us are human Viagras.
you
Hey. It's in your skin color, my brother. Black money.
wena
Black money never
mina
cuts
sikuprotect wena
Mara dog. Yeah, so here's the full context, ne?
Yeah.
The full context is uthi umchita is into music and stuff like that. So ukela unomtshela ukuthi no, I think you perform, I'm not sure ukuthi yenzani. So unokumtshela ukuthi
akaperform kusho ukuthi
okay, no guys.
mawuthi yaperform kusho ukuthi
yes.
akaperform
A minimum of 6 rounds a night. So the full context is
mina I think for a one night yeah no just press
Just
lapho
press,
background yeah
Mamela ntanga. So this guy is into music nanan. So ukela nokumtshela ukuthi hey, ungayi magigini siyanyoba. Exactly.
does she have money though
Nah, but she's spiritually gifted.
oh unyoba nabogogo
You understand?
3 rounds
1 2
yakhe
3 yakagogo nokhokho kasibanibani.
Oh.
Ngoba uthi yena makambuza ke lo mjito uthi how many rounds satisfy you if you demand a minimum of 6 rounds. Lo girl uthi 8.
every night
Uthi 8 lapha qala fika khona uthi yeah sing right.
ufuna makatatazela nabogogo sinte ugogo sibani bani
Gogo. Aw shem, ngiyathemba ukuthi mekhala le ngoma le. Sekumnandi. Khani ngivuleleni indlela wogogo.
Akhinya mara wanyela 6
minimum dog. Do you understand how
I think
crazy
one
that is?
night amlethela
Ntwana
ngiboleka
uma ngambona le outlet ntwana uyambona ntwana ukuthi ukhathele ntwana he's soulless
Dala
dog.
nyoba, shem.
Dala nyoba. Le outlet okay mina ngilethela ngizokutshela ukuthi sengikhathela ngisakufuni. Lokela uthi
ayikho bani sengikhathela
not sure. But bavele bayabahlalisa ukuthi wesihlali ngakhona ngiyakhuluma yena.
Oh.
Manakaranaka. I'm not sure. I don't watch that show. I just saw a clip.
Umanaka konje umuphi? Ulusi.
Yeah, Ulusi.
Oh.
Yeah, that's.
Yena ubatha 9 rounds yula uyambona.
Ndo.
Aliyakeba ene benkeleza nomntana wakhe cha. Elondile.
Ushonile umntana lo. Okay. Oh, you lie, dog.
Ukahleo.
What happened? Yeah. What happened?
I don't know.
How?
She
was sick. Oh my days.
Overdose yabula. Usabalele emakhonini. Bulala no ngikhuluma ngeoverdose
dog, RIP to her. Sorry shem. Yeah, I knew that chick bengikeleza nayo Londele as well.
Elebeka muhle.
She was nice.
Fire.
Ngifundile Londele, ngikela ngibona nene mina ngifuna ngale nkathi ze apartheid ke.
Londele bekekho apartheid.
Beni apartheid wena ngokwayo. Ntanga labo uthi makugunda ne?
Yeah.
Bathi ungashaya trim.
Oh trim yeah.
Ushaya brush.
uNkulunkulu uthi ninga trim icale lapha elondeni.
Uma basoshembeka. Mara yazini ntwana ne? That thing work dog because
bekune discipline la.
She produced so many
engineers.
Like yo ntanga like abantu baphasa ntanga pass rate was always 100%. You understand? Wahamba.
Jaji vum gone kanje na mama.
Sathi kanjalo ilondeli nayo seyitrenda ngentsango now.
Ndoda. No khona le. Khona le hlala eKaslami. Leya immatriculate inethathula. Bruno immatriculate inethathu nentshebe engaka.
Beyangeke bebazomgundisa yona leyo ntshebe leyo. Bana la you a student dog like that. Bogathi mo share uniform you must be neat. Itayi.
Mo late bakushaya ama frog jump ngaphandle. Bedlula sisibekele into lezi thina.
Sesingama socha dog. Matala mwangisa lapha yangisha ama threads after inkatsa kamabaso. Athi is this thing wanted? Is this thing wanted here? Is this thing allowed here in the school? It's not allowed. Okay, good. Cabanga dog.
Anta wathi bombona umuntu ogeleza ulondini ngala zenkathi.
Bombona, but it was a model C school. It was a good school. That was in 2015. 2015, that's when it was introduced to Kosas. I don't want to lie. Mangen Kosas. Deep.
Check imoto kamabaso.
I was there. I was there. I saw everything. Awakwazile amatayera wakhe ayithela ngomhlabathi dog mabasuva ekakhulu but that means that dog had a plan dog she was ruling with an iron fist. I don't know. But I think maybe
let's call asi akuso manje ngisono ngazo.
Do you think kusasemiza manje? I don't think so.
Maybe shem.
Ale principal le no.
I know.
But hey man, moving on.
Yeah.
Semkhathele.
Sivale
Sekumele sivale.
Yena tamele sodlala phela.
Oh no, oh shit, yazi mnandi episode like I heard so many things. But okay, coming to music, I saw T-Man Express release EP titled Midnight in Deep Kloof Zone 2. Yeah, Midnight in Deep Kloof Zone 2. I think part 2 or something. I think something like that. Yeah. So I haven't listened to it, but I think so 3 weeks man pumil.
Yeah.
But shout out to T-Man Express. Yala I forced to pelale. So we'll shout you out, my guy.
What I forced to T-Man?
Okay, mara like uyenze cool music kwakhe Samuel I forced ne?
No.
Am I wrong?
You're wrong.
Okay, I'm taking back my shout out. Nomelo and Sleaze ne is featuring me.
Oh yeah.
Shout out, check it out there on socials.
Actually, I forced to there. If I don't know. Oh, T-Man
T-Man no, mina bengikhuluma nge-Express.
T-Man Express into ngakusewa la. If I yini manje.
That's right. Hey man.
That's the step man. Oh.
Hey dog. But then hey dog.
Lento le ifana ne ngisathi ngiyasho man. Usinti stepile. Udayiding ifana no konjibani le awuthile. Angelique ngitanta baba xa umuntu life force
because he's
bakahlala ngayi nabo them two
that's why I thought naye wangayi
naye bekanokufika ngayi yeah
but then hey another skatla yokugcina ne jo ngeyithethi kwenzakalani Grand
sebaxosha
like okay what's going to happen like are we marching what are we doing
bazodeploy amasotsha
tangisende release statement
ngiyadlala boy but I think they should man that's but deploy isendef nje
but then maba deploy isendef are deploying ukuthi izosiza with the illegal immigrants or ukuthi stop abantu that are fighting illegally.
We should not fight them, you know. Like I am all about abahambe vele and bona bathi amhambi amhambi mihleli la hleli sibacaba nesuthu
mara male hey dog like okay I'm to say I can just read through another thing that I saw on the internet dog Malema lying to his people ukuthi it doesn't own anything, it doesn't even have a car, a house, whatever. Why are you lying to your people Malema?
Ulaya to obani laba abahambayo
It was no bantu bakhe konje
ngiyatshela le ntanga nayo inobufurena nyana le inkani yayo ilali inkani yakho Nigeria.
Nah dog I think he's in bed with them dog like I think they're funding him so he doesn't have a choice. Plus didn't they find him guilty of discharge of firearm akumelanga ukuthi aboshwe
kwebile ngithi
okay uzoboshwa nini
yena masakafuna ngejele
you know bathi why angakaboshwa
why
so that azodisturb lento ama illegal foreigners
mara nayo lento ama illegal foreigners nayo lena ngithi idisturb imadlanga commission
madlanga bathayisana budget
ngithi
how is that even possible
bafuna singabuza ukuthi why enganamali
dog like there's a lot happening in South Africa right now I dog
around the world everywhere the World War 3
dog Joe mina thing is buza yona yabona yangidethi yangimangaza so what's going to happen mass deportation what I don't know dog
so ngena house to house
but then dog nangu shebe shit dog dog let me read this shebe shit's bail appeal postponed over AI concerns in court. Did his lawyer use the ChatGPT for appeal into it? Like I don't understand, Joe. What kind of lawyer would do that, dog?
Angithi nabo doctor bamanje nabo basebenzisa AI ayicave lento le eshala ama video lawo khona lento eshala ama video lawo ithi khona abo doctor basebenzisa i-ChatGPT mongela lapha uqala ngithiri ngari ke botse chat chatir aitsebi hore ke eng problem ke nana o gaya azinzani ke nana o gaya ko gae o batli Benelin
iri AI kufe
Benelin ya Benelin
ngapanta ngu Brown Mkhotsi dog i-prosecutor
yini Mkhotsi le kanti
Brown Mkhotsi na is implicated in lento leza but i-prosecutor snitched on him.
I just got the name Madlanga commission amadlanga nje.
But then the prosecutor in this case snitched on him. A court ukuthi tried to bribe him. Dog like Brown. Yo, you're in deep shit, dog. There's no coming out of this.
Abamthandi nabamnika igama laka Brown.
Brown. Oh. Yambona. Abona mo reaction yakhe yengishayile mama qeda ukumsnitch. Antana yabona la. Chayile ntwana. If but his scapegoat uye ntwana chayile yakhe. Yabona yena nomatlala shy for them.
Maka ngishakhe matlala kaphiki.
Ngapha ubani sibanyoni laba bajabulela ukuthi ubani manje bayibizana this thing lo ngavelanga ecourt. You know the case yabo sibanyoni the taxi bosses. Ban a case against the extortion of what of millions and stuff. So I think the prosecuting a velanga or someone or a court azanga vele. And then they were celebrating. Yeah, they thought kuti maramanje bati yabuya futhi. Baba buyisi the court but celebrate too soon. Hey Joe like hey South Africa.
Bafana ama Arsenal fans. Bafana ama Arsenal fans. Ba celebrate too.
Minanga yo nomlomo nina makhulu. Angikwazi enjoy win. Bana, let's Arsenal is winning league, but everyone is talking about Barcelona buying Alvarez. Arsenal, I dog.
Tangano Pep uvayile.
Pep is vying, dog.
Uvana ezinye Z4.
Pep is vying, dog.
Z5 ne? Lezavanazo. Kona lezavanazo lezi.
Erling, bathi ngathi Erling Haaland will leave as well. Bernardo nayo yahamba.
Yeah, Bernardo vele uyabaya.
Who else? Oh. Yeah, but we have to wrap it up. Yabona no nikuseka khathela
Yeah,
usilalele
indoda.
kushashalaza C2.
Yeah.
Do female footballers in their periods also play football on match days?
Keep period.
Like what happens?
Bayaphatha period.
Abaphethe ama-period pain. Do they still attend a match? Like how do they combat that? The appeals are get the pain one way.
Oh, for 90 minutes there, mele. Oh.
Mase period akusho ukuthi phela siyafa.
Yeah.
Akusho ukuthi siyafa phela yabo.
But you understand ukuthi like ngiyazwakala ngithi.
Yeah.
But you understand ukuthi like it's sports like uzobugijima and stuff like that.
Yeah, but like you can take pills and then for the meantime you'll be fine.
Also for 90 minutes uzobukren.
Yeah, you can be fine for 90 minutes. It's not that bad. It depends also what day it is.
Tempon.
Yabo.
No, I mean I'm talking about like period like you are well within your periods like Futima we have flow or whatever you guys could.
The first and second days are always the most hectic ones.
Yeah.
Right?
And then the image day on its own.
Image day
It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be really, really tough. Because running around and stuff, it's gonna be tough. But I don't know what they do.
Thank you, Asante.
Cabanga ntang.
Crazy, ne?
Uthi gijima lapha eTemponiwe qum.
Sathi Tempon ubona isigaqa nje sivele. Oh my god. Hey Mara women, we love you guys. But then that's it for me, my brother. That's it for me.
Asivale my brother.
Oh, border management pastor hey dog, I had so much good like but let me just read it. Border Management Authority has intercepted a truck traveling from Malawi to South Africa at Beit Bridge border carrying a Mendrix making ingredient valued at 1 billion.
Abahambe.
We're closing it.
Yeah,
Gone from me, your boy, Popeye / Pretty Boy G. Nyangazi mus.
Awuyivyola nobo.
Oh. I love my face. Ngiyangibona mus.
Efudle izokushanqindiwa.
Manje yamdawhle ingakanani.
Uvele ubone ubuso bakaShamiso. Ubani
ingihlalela.
iShamiso ne. Lo mntana ushanga ubuso bungako vele benjalo nawo. Ayahlala cela sivale naye. Fulo ya crash out le ya bafethu yeah so iqeda the boy staff signing out.
Stuff.
Spina. Yeah.
Don't feel we are coming.
Yeah, we are coming.
Next time send a post we are in.
And next time
but then Mahlati, you can take it. It's a fucking rap.